Hey guys, it's Cheryl here today. I'm giving you a quick tour over here in my cotton garden. Some things are getting green. I know it's hard to tell. I've got some, looks like some tall bearded irises coming up. So I think I'm going to be digging them up and moving them. I believe they're yellow. And then this is just some daylilies and Siberian irises. My roses are starting to come out. But I am going to come back and trim them up to make them a little thicker. See here, I did dig my holes and planted these tall bearded irises. They have rhizomes, so they don't have to be deep, so that's a good thing. And it was actually easy to dig the holes because the ground was still kind of moist from the rains that we had. So I'm going to go in here and clean up. Here's another look at it. Here you could see me planting them. I don't do anything special. I dig them up, stick them in the ground, and I have great success with irises here. So here you see I'm just sticking them in the ground, getting any weeds out the way. And I just took the little bit of soil that I had dug up and just raked it over top and mashed it down. I would normally come back and water it in well, but I didn't. And that was okay because the next couple of days we had rain. And so Mother Nature took care of that for me. And we've had a couple rains since I've planted these, so I think they will be fine. And I will check on them to make sure that they don't dry out. And like I said, they like the rhizomes to have sun on them, so I didn't plant them too deep. And you can see my soil is still, kind of red clay. And it's getting better over the years. I add cow manure and mulch. I haven't added any this year, so we'll see if I get any mulch this time. Okay, so this area here is going to be my yellow and white area. So I plan to buy some daisies. I had this part of my cotton garden, oops, sorry y'all, white and yellow at one time, and starting it over again. You see how I have it above the ground? That's fine because they like to have sun on the rhizomes. Some of them are a little below, but like I said, they still come back. I had no problem. Okay, so back over here you can see I came in and I raked up a bunch of leaves, and I just left them in stacks. I wish I had a compost tumbler so I can compost these leaves because they're great for the garden. I leave them down all winter, and some of them do break down, and that helps with the soil. Those are some, in the right hand corner were some foxgloves that came back, and these are the pink sundrops I mentioned. They do multiply and they're hard to kill. But I think I'm gonna leave them there, but if I don't, I have some areas over under those pine trees that I might attempt to plant over there. And I'm not sure what that is. I didn't dig up my dahlias, so I don't expect them to come back, but if they do, that'd be a miracle because you're supposed to dig them up, and I was too lazy toward the end of the season. But here you can see my Siberian iris coming up. They are purple and white. And I got coneflowers coming up. There's another stack of leaves that I got over there. And then we're going to go over here and this is my peony bed. And peonies are herbaceous, which means they die back to the ground. But you can see this one is coming. I marked it with 2 stones so I don't step on it. I had one that was coming up a couple months ago, I believe, and I stepped on it by accident. Now these are these ring holders I've had for a long time. I think I got them from Jackson Perkins, but they protect the peonies. See, when they come up, see this one's got some eyes coming up. When they come up, it prevents them from flopping over. So I try to put that down as soon as I can. Missed it one year and it was a problem trying to get them straight, because you can't put them on there really after. It's kind of difficult. So I had two, because I had the two peonies in the past. Now over here I see something coming up. I don't think it's the peony I stepped on. I think it might be gladiola, but I did have another one that did come up. So that's going to be my peony bed. They're mostly pink and white, and I had a red one, but look at this little bird's nest there, and the rose is starting to come out. I got to see that. I've got to get the ladder and try to tie these up over the pergola. Okay, so we're gonna go over here. I still got this one rose I got to dig up. I gotta order me another New Dawn and decide what I'm gonna do with this one. Let's revert it back to pink, a dark pink, which I don't want. Okay, I'm gonna be well, this is, you know, like I said, my cutting garden, but I'm going to be showing you some of my garden. If you're new here, some things I've grown in the past. So let's take a look. See, these are the peonies that are here, and the pink coneflowers, the day lilies. That was one I had in a pot on my patio. This is actually a dark purple called Bella Lugosi, but here you can't really tell that it's a dark purple, but it's pretty. And these are some petunias that we've planted in pots. Look at the butterfly. I'm not sure if we're going to plant petunias again this year. We did replace the soil because the last 2 years we didn't, and the annuals didn't do well. And here are my hydrangeas. I've multiplied these over the years, and I probably have 20 of them in my yard. And I would like to get them darker blue, but I'll have to add some hollytone or some sort of other acidic fertilizer to them. And I have tons of hydrangeas, not hydrangeas, I'm sorry, hostas that I've multiplied. See, from these multiply so easy. I let them go to seed, and that's how they look with the hydrangeas. And so we're going to take another look from another angle. I planted some more on the other side of these, and hopefully in a couple years they'll be as big as these. Here you can see. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed this quick cutting garden tour, and if you like gardening, I hope you come back to see what else I do. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you guys next time. Take care.